Hello everyone, my name is Adam Abdullah Suryana. I'm from class Electrical Engineering major at Citra Nusantara Vocational High School. I will tell you about various electrical tools and their uses. Let's go. Number 1. Screwdriver. Function to turn screw or bolt. Number 2. Cutting pliers. Function to cut cable. Number 3. Cable. Function to transmit electricity. Number 4. Test pen. Function to detect electrical voltage. Number 5. Contactor. Function to control big load like motor. Number 6. Isolation. Function to prevent short circuit in cable. That's all from me, more or less. I apologize. Thank you.